Okay, this is my channel Tugustu Zarihun. I will continue from the last lesson. In today's lesson, 1-2 managing files and folders. Brainstorming points are here. How are documents created, named, renamed, copied, moved, and deleted in paper-based file systems? Do you think that after the creation of a specific document, is that possible to easily rename, or is that possible to copy or duplicate? Is that possible to edit in paper-based working systems? The second point, how is a folder browser created, named, renamed, copied, moved, deleted in manual filing systems? Do you think there is a way to do things in computers, files, and folders? Try to compare with that of traditional office systems with digital systems. In Windows operating systems, in Windows version, the primary way of it can be Windows 7 version, Windows 8, and we have, in case of Windows 10 versions, we'll try to see how to manage our files and folders. In Windows operating systems, the primary way of interacting with files and folders is through File Explorer application. We have a File Explorer application, which is a program that helps us to manage or to organize our files and folders easily that are stored inside the system. We may not give an attention to use File Explorer application or program, but it's have a good usage because we can easily view or display all the contents starting from the desktop. Even though the desktop found as the front side rectangular region, but File Explorer shows that even desktop by itself is a container or a folder. When we select on the navigation pane desktop under File Explorer, the contents will display there. I will demonstrate you here. There are also other operating systems, but in this textbook we use operating system one-to-one using File Explorer. A File Explorer, which was called Windows Explorer in application before Windows 10 version, has the following main parts. It says before Windows 10 versions, we have Windows 7 and 8 versions. In such operating versions, we call it Windows Explorer. Instead of using the term File Explorer, we use here instead of using File Explorer, we use Windows Explorer in the previous version before Windows 10 version. But here in Windows 10 version, we call it File Explorer. How File Explorer is opened? Let me demonstrate you. There are methods to open File Explorer in our computer system. It's possible to use Windows plus letter E. Where is Windows key letter? This letter. I mean this key. We call it a window key with letter E. By combining window key with letter E, we can open File Explorer at the same time. Here, File Explorer is opened. As you have seen here, at the title bar there is a home. It consists all the files, folders inside a specific drive. Here, at the bottom, desktop, on the navigation pane, here is a navigation pane. On the navigation pane, when you select the navigation pane, the contents will display on the right side. Here at the bottom, this PC. This PC helps us to display the contents of the drives. In general, this place we call it a navigation pane. This arrow is the back. This is the front arrow. Here we have ribbons. For instance, under this home tab area, we have here a cut icon. Here is a copy icon. but at this time they are inactive because there is no specific item is selected. Let me click on desktop. Then let me choose Upwork. Now the cut icon, the copy icon, paste icon, delete icon, or are appear below home tab. Just here is a view. It's possible to view, or we can change the view. For instance, we can make it extra large icons. The icon or the contents are the desktop. We can change the view. We can make it medium icons. Just we can make or we can order based on the size or type. We can use the name to order. We can use the date and other criteria. Here on the right side, search box. The search box helps us to search any contents. Here is about the file explorer, how to open the file explorer and use the file explorer and their contents. The other method is on the taskbar here. Around here, there is an icon on the taskbar below the desktop file explorer. It says we can open file explorer here by click here. The other method on start menu, type Fi. Possible to open file explorer, or we can make it, we can type the second letter, which is the second word on the phrase file explorer, AX. By typing AX, we can get here file explorer and we can open file explorer. Maybe simple, but the usage is very high. It is an essential part of Windows operating system. We can easily control the computer system when we use file explorer properly. For today is enough. Thank you. Try to subscribe on my channel.